Hello everyone, it's your graphics Uni. So today we are going to learn how to do aesthetic stretch effect in Photoshop. Firstly, take a new file and then create it. Take the photo you want to edit on. Click on rectangular selection tool and make it same as I did. Now press on Ctrl+J and make it stretch. Arrange it accordingly. Now click on mask. Go on the gradient tool option and make it accordingly. Now select both the layers and right click and convert to smart object. Now click on filter option and click on noise, then click on add noise. Now set it same as I did and click OK. And boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.